Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today I will teach you to put coral stitch. In this stitch, the knots fall in between the trail of a straight stitch. This stitch can be used for various types of embroideries, especially in making stem patterns. This stitch is a flexible stitch like a stem stitch and can be worked on any curved lines in the pattern. Now we'll start to learn. I'll teach you in a straight line. You bring the needle at one point and pick little fabric at a distance from top to bottom. Put the thread above the needle and then bring beneath, that is, wrap the thread once. It should go above the needle and come below like this. And now we can pull the thread. We'll get a knot here. We'll go to the next stitch at certain distance. Again pick little fabric from top to bottom. Wrap the thread once in the needle. Thread should go above at first and then come below. Now you pull the thread. You get another knot. Now we have finished the stitch. You can go through the back like this and finish the knot. I hope you understood this coral stitch clearly, and this is the back view of the stitch. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have missed my previous videos, please click on the links given in the description box. To learn more embroidery stitches, please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.